What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of the greatest vlog in the world. My name is Oscar, not Jeff, and today we're gonna have a little bit of an adventure, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Today we're gonna get some spicy stuff. Today we're gonna shoot some stuff with PopSec Studios. Me and Andre and Mr. Jeff are right over there. He's a bit camera shy, don't mind him. He's going through the motions. And yeah, you guys come on with us and let's explore a little bit of Funchal in this beautiful island. And come check out what we do. Perfecto. Perfecto. No, but is it perfecto or is it perfect?
Perfecto. Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect.
Well done, you're not fired.
Thank God, another day, another dollar, guys.
For anyone who's been living under a rock for the past few months, Oscar is the latest addition to the PopSec team. We're very lucky to have this talented young man on the team. And yeah, one of these days you're gonna take over the vlog, my friend. So we're kickstarting. We came out to one of our favorite places for our local food adventures, which is Azinhas in São Gonçalo or Boa Nova, I believe it is. Boa Nova. And we came here specifically for this. So if you watched the last video, you know we're collecting chili sauce for a specific video that's coming, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, we're having lunch. We've actually already filmed the whole vlog. So we're gonna dig in with some chicken, enjoy some of the chili. We're gonna get some of this to take away so that we can carry on in a couple of weeks' time. And we're gonna rewind this, right? So that you can see what we were up to the last 4 hours, all right? So it's a nice quick one because we've got jobs to do, right? And yeah, enjoy the vlog. Let's rewind, let's go. Okay, boys, good thing is, right, we have the whole day to do what we need to do today. But I want to do two things. So first, we want to find the hot sauce, all right? So we're going to be out looking for hot sauce around Madeira. And second, we're going to use PopSec, right, to do what PopSec does best, and we're gonna make an Instagram ad for Shut Up and Eat. All right, so I had this idea, and I want to brainstorm it with you guys, of course. But I had this idea where we could do an ad, right? So it's got to be vertical format for Instagram, of course, where we could do an ad of a guy who's on vacation who's looking for some special stuff. So we got to kind of make it look like it's a little bit like dodgy, you know, like he's looking for drugs or something, you know, drugs or prostitution or something like that. So he's like, hey, you know, you got that stuff, you know, he comes up to us and we'll be like, what kind of stuff you're looking for, kind of thing, you know. I just got an idea, so we need to think about a script together where, you know, we get him like a small plate of dobrada or like a polvo, a dentinho, right? That you'd usually find on a Shut Up and Eat tour. So yeah, that's the idea. Instead of like tourists buying drugs, they're buying dentinhos from Shut Up and Eat. And we need to turn that into an ad, all right? So yeah, that's the idea.
We're gonna think about this. It's gonna get canceled. I think so.
What?
I think so.
I actually think Oscar would be the best, you know, like the best guy looking for
No
it.
fucking way. Is it because
Yeah,
of the mustache?
you're gonna be the buyer. You're gonna be the buyer. I'll be the dealer. You can be the buyer.
Got some of the finest thermoses in town, man. Something.
Yeah, actually, he might be the dealer. I'll be the buyer.
Yeah, probably. That sounds like a deal.
Oh yes, and here comes the breakfast. Obrigado. So we'll get some food in, and then we get obrigado, and then we'll get into it. Chicken for everybody, huh? We have a plan, and I think we're only going to be able to do one thing today, but we're going to do it well, and I think it's a pretty cool plan. So yeah, we're going to go and make our ad for Shut Up and Eat Madeira. This is going to be a PopSec vlog, so you guys are going to see how we do our our ads. Should be fun. We didn't find the shirt we were looking for. We're actually looking for like a I Love Madeira shirt, kind of like the I Love New York shirts. So we're gonna go on a hunt for that. We're gonna get some gear from Andrea's house, some lights and things like that. So I think today, what my idea was to make a quick little ad is now becoming a full-on video shoot. We just dropped off Oscar to get another shirt. We're multitasking. So we got the lights, we got a little special something, right, to give the ad that little touch. And we're gonna go and pick up Oscar now, who's got an I Love Madeira t-shirt, although it's not I Love Madeira. What does it say?
Madeira loves me.
Madeira loves me. There we go. So instead of I Love Madeira, Madeira loves me. Perfect. So now it's my part, eh?
Yep.
So let's see if this idea is gonna work, eh? Do we look shady?
Super shady.
Hey? Did you buy something?
Shady.
Hey?
And I would
You looking
never.
for that special stuff, eh? You looking for that special stuff?
Are you going to
And the
speak
special
like
stuff.
that?
Got some special. No, of course not.
What
Okay.
kind of lisp?
So we're gonna do the parts. I'm by the car. I'm saying I'm gonna.
Hey.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Looking for some special stuff? Hey? Special stuff. Special stuff. You looking for some special stuff? Yeah. Okay. Get in the car. Looking for some special stuff?
I am looking for some special stuff. You got it?
I got some special stuff.
Yeah, nice.
You looking for some special stuff?
You got special stuff?
Yeah. Get in the car.
Where are we going?
Just shut up and get in the car. You looking for some special stuff?
You got some special stuff?
Yeah. Get in the car.
Where are we going?
Just shut up and get in the car. Yeah.
Guys ready? 3,
Yep.
2, 1, action.
Looking for some special stuff?
You got some special stuff?
Yes. Come, jump in.
Where are we going?
Just get in the car. Shut up and get in the car.
What do you mean?
Well, I don't get nervous anymore about videos. So that's point number one, because it is a bit funky, this video, a little bit controversial maybe, but I think we did a great job. I mean, we're very, very lucky to have Oscar. Like I think I said in one of the videos before, we're just gonna put Oscar's gonna be the new face of the vlog. You know, when I retire, when I retire, huh? It's gonna be Oscar.
Got to learn how to drive first.
You're gonna learn how to drive. I'm gonna put you in a Jeep. You're gonna make a fortune, my friend.
He's selling you on that.
All right, so plan. The next one is the next shoot, the final part. We've done the first half, the next location. That's the lingo, the filmmakers lingo. Madeira loves me, and we love Oscar.
Very
We
blessed.
love Oscar. All right, boys, let's go.
Madeira. I can't wait to explore it all. Huh. I wonder if they have that special thing.
Special stuff.
Ah,
Special stuff.
Madeira. I can't wait to explore all that stuff. Ugh.
Sorry.
Wait.
Madeira. Madeira. Oh.
Just one more time. Madeira. Madeira.
Madeira.
I can't wait to go exploring.
Okay.
All right, so we had one of the locations where we do the Espetada tour. Actually, today we've got an Espetada tour starting a little bit later, where it's basically a half-day tour where you see the outskirts of Funchal, where the locals go to eat and drink. That is what Shut Up and Eat is all about. You know, our grandmother, I remember whenever we were at the table, our grandmother used to say, "Kami kalit." If we were speaking too much and we weren't eating, say, "Kami kalit, shut up and eat." And that's where I kind of got the idea for the food tour company of Shut Up and Eat. And there is so much coming. I also want to say sorry for the people who've seen the website. It's a little bit shady, right? We got to work on it. I know it was a lot of stuff happening before the wedding and before the honeymoon and everything. So the good news is that I'm back in town, right? So for anyone who's looking to see me, right, you're going to find me on one of my tours for sure, most probably at Shut Up and Eat. So book your tour now at hittheroadmadeira.com or at shutupandeatmadeira.com. Both are awesome, right? There's some new Patreon stuff coming. There's loads of great stuff coming. So here we are. We got some dentinhos, we got some poncha, and we're about to make the rest of the ads. You know, with our buyer and dodgy dealer, we're gonna be dealing the special stuff over here.
Jeff?
Hey man, do you know where I can get some more of this stuff? It's just for a friend.
Just shut up and eat, man.
Huh? Man, do you know where I can get some more of this stuff? It's for tomorrow. It's for a friend. You know, it's can I get rid of some stuff? I mean, can you find it? Can you help me with that?
Maybe that's it. Maybe then it's just the ad like right now, yeah? So
Let's do it.
let's do it. You guys ready? You want to see the ad? Yes. Okay, good stuff.
Madeira. I can't wait to go exploring. I wonder if they have that special stuff.
You looking for that special stuff?
You got some special stuff?
Yes. Get in the car.
Where are we going?
Just shut up and get in the car.
What do you mean? Ah!
Checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up and check. I got the mess.
Do you know where I can get some more of this stuff? Like tomorrow? It's not for me, it's for a friend, you know?
Just shut up and eat. For the best food and cultural tours in Madeira, check out shutupandeatmadeira.com and use the promo code SHUTUP for 10% off your booking. It's a wrap. Oscar. Well done, man. Ponches on you. You can't say that on camera.
I'm sorry.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm sure PopSec made a great job of this very improvised video. Remember, they had no idea. Andrea and Oscar had no idea that they were gonna make an ad today like 4 hours ago. No, 3 hours ago, right? So if you guys are looking for the best video in the business, then you know you need to check out PopSec Studios. Now we're gonna chill out, enjoy our Friday. There's a big weekend coming, and we're gonna eat and drink just a little bit before going back to work. So thank you guys. I'll see you in next week's video. Andrea?
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
Hey, what about the hot sauces and stuff?
The hot sauce is gonna wait because I actually have to do a shift later, so I actually can't drink. So the poncho is just for you guys.
What?
Yeah, I got an espetada tour later.
I see.
Oh, you're gonna drink then. So.
No, I'm driving. What the hell?
Wait,